So the slot stitch, S-L-O-T, don't misspell it, it's not the sloth, okay? It is a decorative stitch. Where have I seen it quite a bit? On old nurse uniforms. That would be a way of decorating them with the same fabric. I have seen it on tracksuit jackets, okay, as a decoration too. So for that, I'm gonna cut a straight piece on the grain, okay, on the length of our swatch, okay? So this piece looks like it is about 1 inch. So I'm gonna have 1 inch seam allowance here. So this piece that we cut on the grain, this one is not on the bias, it will be cut 2 inches wide, okay? So we reverse, and let me go back, I just forgot what it is. For this stitch, I want you to have your longest stitch. So we're gonna do number 5. And we're not gonna reverse at the beginning and end because this stitch that I'm doing right now, we're gonna take it out later on, okay? So be careful when you do a longer stitch. Your machine goes at the same speed, but the fabric moves faster because the stitch is longer. It's like when somebody with short legs or somebody with long legs walk. Okay? Don't look at me with the short legs. Okay, so we're going to press these seams open. Let me clean all of these threads out of the way. We're gonna press this seam open and we're going to place the strip that we cut on the grain underneath, okay? I'm gonna put a couple of pins because I wanna stitch from the other side. And that way I'll be able to take them out as I go. Okay? So when I stitch here, I want to stitch at maybe a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch. Remember, this is more decorative than anything. Now, this time, you are going to be doing a reverse stitch at beginning and end. So I like it here. I'm going to reverse. No, go back, don't forget, go back to your regular stitch length. Okay, you don't need that long stitch anymore. And take the pins as you go along because since they are underneath, you don't know what is hitting. Okay? Make sure that you reverse beginning and end. And then I'm going to do the other side. See that? Double tap stitching, the previous seam in the middle. I'm grabbing this piece. Now, if you need to clean these seam allowances, then you can do any of the methods that we have done before. Remember, this is just for decoration. So what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to remove this top stitching that we did, this stitching that we did first with a long stitch. Since it's a long stitch, it will be easier for me to remove it. So think about some of these stitches could be decorative for your design, and some of them are actually functional. So look at how it looks. Right? So let's pretend maybe you use a fluorescent fabric underneath. So when this flips open, you get to see a contrasting fabric. That's what is used on tracksuits. Right? Cool? So think about it. You can later on, you can top stitch it so it opens up and does that. Right? So you can do different decorations from it. Yes? All right. So this is the slot stitch. Okay.